Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about HTML5 input type and attributes. Let's start with the basic. In HTML5, the input tag is used to create the different form controls that allows the user to enter data. These input elements are generally placed inside a form element so that the data can be submitted to the server. The behavior and appearance of an input field mainly depends on its type attribute. HTML5 introduces several new input types that improve form validation and provide a better user experience. Now, input type email. Now, let's look at the email input type. The in type equals email is used to collect email address from the user. One advantage of using this input type is that the browser automatically check whether the enter value follows a valid email format. For example, we can write input type equals email with the required attribute. This built-in validation helps reduce the errors and may improve the accuracy of user input. Next is input type URL. This input type is used to accept website address from the users. Browsers verify whether the enter value follows the proper URL format. For example, we can write input type equals URL with a placeholder such as http colon slash slash example.com. You're using the URL type assures that the user enter correctly formatted web addresses. HTML5 also provides the special input type for dates, time, and the numbers. The date input displays a calendar picker, making it easier to select the dates. The time input provides a time picker for choosing the time values. Similarly, the number input accept only numeric values and support attributes like a minimum and maximum values. For example, we can specify a number input with a minimum value of 1 and maximum value of 10. So these input type improves the accuracy of data entry. Let's explore some interactive input types. The range input displays a slider that allows user to select a values within a range. The color input opens a color picker so users can visually choose a color. The search input is designed for search boxes and may displays a clear button in some browsers. For example, a search input can contain a placeholder saying search. These input types makes the form more interactive and user friendly. Another useful input type is telephone, written as a type equals tel. It is specially designed for phone numbers. On mobile devices, it usually displays a numeric keypad, making a number entry easier. HTML5 also includes specialized input types like a date and time, which helps collect the data efficiently. Selecting the correct input type improves the usability and minimizes the user mistakes. Beside input types, HTML5 also provides the several useful attributes. The required attribute assures that a field must be filled before submitting the form. The placeholder attribute displays the hint text inside the input box. The autofocus attribute automatically places the cursor in a specific field with the page loads. Attributes such as minimum, maximum, and step are commonly used with the number and range input to control the allowed values. Now let's understand the pattern attribute. The pattern attribute allows us to define the custom validation rules using the regular expressions. Before submitting the form, the browser checks whether the enter value match the specified pattern. When used together with the HTML5 input type like email or telephone, it provides a strong client side validation. This helps prevent invalid or incorrectly formatted data from reaching the server. To summarize, HTML5 provides a variety of input types such as email, URL, date, time, number, range, color, search, and telephones. It also offers useful attributes like a required, placeholder, autofocus, and pattern, which improve user experience and form validation. By choosing the appropriate input type, an attribute, we can create more efficient, user friendly, and reliable web forms. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more web development tutorials.